Chapter 3, Study Guide 1, F. Want to find the limit of this function from the right as x goes to 0. Well, first off, that denominator is begging to be factored. So let's factor out the greatest common factor of x and rewrite it as follows. Write it as limit as x goes to 0 from the positive side, the right side, 2x over x times the quantity x minus 1 because we factored that x out. So now you can see we're going to have a hole at x equals 0. So if I want to sketch this, first off, I'm going to mark my 0. Well, don't have one, but let's blabbering. Alright, I paused it and I found my tongue. So I want to figure out where that hole is, because I know I have a hole at x equals 0. I want to figure out what the limit of that is. So look, limits are actually being useful. Sweet! So I look at the limit as x goes to 0 of the hole removed, 2 over x minus 1. I can directly substitute to get 2 over negative 1, which is negative 2. So I know that I have my hole right there. Well, I also know that I'm going to have a vertical asymptote at x equals positive 1. So I'm going to sketch that in. Okay, now I just got to figure out where I'm going to be, because this is going to look exactly like 1 over x, except shifted, translated a little bit. So let's figure out where I should be if you don't already remember. So let's say check a point to the right of our asymptote. That would be the point 2. So we say 2, well, we don't need to say that. 2, well, okay, that's positive. That looks like a 4, but that's supposed to just be a positive. So I'll rewrite that. So I get positive over 2 minus 1 is positive. Well, I should be positive over here, so I'm going to look like that. And over here, we can figure it out. I'm going to be negative, but I'm going to look like that. Yay! So the limit as this function goes to 0 from the right. So now I'm looking as I'm going up here. Well, I'm going to go to actually where my hole was, which I already figured out was negative 2. So my answer is negative 2.